So here's how to use Google Voice Assistant in Android Auto. It's quite simple, so for that reason, let me just open up the settings first. And then from here, you need to click on connection or connected device. Simply tap on that. And then again, scroll it down and you will find out the Android Auto options. So simply tap on that. And then again, you need to scroll sometimes and you will probably find out this option, Hey Google detection. Simply tap on that option and it will take some time to load. There you go. Now from this device, as you can see, Hey Google is turned off, so you need to turn this on. Then simply go with I agree. Once again, I agree. Hey Google, help me write thank you. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Alright guys, that's how you can set up. So make sure to set it up like this and then go with the next. Alright, and not now. We will go out and there you go. So that's how you can use Google Voice Assistant in Android Auto. And then again, if you go with the Google Assistant, as you can see, now it is also enabled. So that's how you can simply use the Google Voice Assistant or enable the Google Voice Assistant in Android Auto. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.